The JOMISE T860 Plus mirror dash cam boasts an impressive 4K front camera and 2.5K rear camera, ensuring superb visibility and reduced blind spots in all driving conditions. This innovative dash cam features a detachable front camera, allowing for flexible installation and an unobstructed view, enhancing overall safety. Equipped with advanced night vision technology, the T860 Plus delivers clear footage even in low-light conditions, thanks to its sophisticated low-light sensor and wide dynamic range capabilities. The intelligent parking monitoring system offers peace of mind with 24-hour surveillance, capturing any activity around your vehicle when parked. Real-time GPS tracking provides valuable driving insights, including speed and route data, which is ideal for navigating complex urban environments. Installation of the dashcam is quick and easy, taking only 10 minutes, and it comes with a 64 GB card to ensure secure and continuous storage of your driving footage.